As we stand here with Independence Hall in the backdrop and this incredible bell, of course I am momentarily thinking about some words that were spoken just across the street that bring us to this point, and we understand better the work of Dr. Martin Luther King. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men and women are created equal, that they're endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these rights are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And if you have really good vision, you can see on the bell the words that go around the top: proclaim liberty throughout the land. That's what Dr. Martin Luther King was all about. He talked about liberty, talked about freedom, talked about rights. And for us as Americans, and for any of our visitors here, and whether you're a citizen or not, this is the center place of that debate, of that conversation, and ultimately from which all of our rights have emanated. Dr. King once said that at the center of nonviolence stands the principle of love. We stand here today in the city of brotherly love and sisterly affection, trying to live up to those ideals each and every day. We talk about love your neighbor as you love yourself. We love this great city. This is a city based on love and tolerance. But Dr. King also said that the time is always right to do what is right. That time could not be more imperative than today. And so let us remember not only the great legacy and the great work, but let us never hesitate to answer the one essential question, which is, what are you doing to help someone else? We should strive to be able to answer that question in a positive way each and every day, from the moment we wake up till the time we go to sleep, and start it all over again the next day. Let freedom ring throughout this land, throughout the world. God bless you.
C. Dolores Tucker started this organization with the blessings of Coretta Scott King, so that symbolically the striking of the Liberty Bell precisely at 12 noon would usher in the beginning of the celebration of the birthday of the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King.